Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel where I talk about programming, web development, and technology. In this video, I'm going to compare two of the most popular and powerful programming languages in 2023, JavaScript and Python. Which one is better for web development, data analysis, machine learning, or mobile apps? Which one is easier to learn and more versatile? Which one has more libraries and frameworks? Let's find out. First, let me give you a brief introduction to both languages. JavaScript is a scripting language that runs on the browser and can also be used on the server side with Node.js. It is mainly used for creating dynamic and interactive web pages, but it can also be used for other purposes such as desktop applications, games, or mobile apps with frameworks like React Native or Ionic. JavaScript follows the ECMAScript standard, which is updated every year with new features and improvements. The latest version is ECMAScript 2023, which introduces features like optional chaining, nullish coalescing, private fields, and logical assignment operators. Python is a high-level, interpreted language that is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It can be used for a wide range of applications such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, or scientific computing. Python has a rich set of libraries and frameworks that make it easy to work with data, such as NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. Python also has a clear and consistent syntax that makes it easy to read and write code. The latest version of Python is 3.10, which introduces features like pattern matching, structural pattern matching, union types, and type aliases. Now that we have some background information on both languages, let's compare them based on some criteria. Ease of learning. Both Python and JavaScript are very easy to learn for beginners. They are both object-oriented languages that support multiple paradigms such as functional or procedural programming. They also have a large and active community of developers that provide tutorials, documentation, and support. However, Python has an edge over JavaScript in terms of readability and simplicity. Python has a clear and consistent syntax that follows the principle of, there should be one and preferably only one obvious way to do it. JavaScript, on the other hand, has a more complex and flexible syntax that allows for multiple ways of doing the same thing, which can lead to confusion and errors for beginners. Web development. Both Python and JavaScript are excellent choices for web development. They both have powerful frameworks that make it easy to create web applications with minimal code. For example, Python has Django and Flask, which are popular frameworks for creating back-end services that handle requests from the browser. JavaScript has Express, which is a lightweight framework for creating server-side applications with Node.js. On the front-end side, JavaScript has React, Angular, Vue, and many other frameworks that allow you to create dynamic and interactive web pages with components and state management. Python also has some options for front-end development such as Dash, which is a framework for creating data visualization dashboards with Plotly. However, JavaScript is more dominant in the front-end domain as it is the native language of the browser. Data analysis. Python is the clear winner when it comes to data analysis. Python has a huge ecosystem of libraries and tools that make it easy to work with data in various formats and domains. For example, you can use NumPy to perform numerical computations on arrays. You can use Pandas to manipulate data frames. You can use SciPy to perform scientific calculations. You can use Matplotlib or Seaborn to create plots and charts. You can use scikit-learn or TensorFlow to apply machine learning algorithms, etc. These libraries are well documented, well tested, and well integrated with each other. You can also use Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab to write and execute your code interactively in the browser. JavaScript also has some libraries for data analysis such as D3.js, Chart.js, or TensorFlow.js, but they are not as comprehensive or mature as Python's. Mobile apps. JavaScript has an advantage over Python when it comes to mobile app development. JavaScript has frameworks like React Native or Ionic that allow you to create native or hybrid mobile apps using web technologies. You can use the same codebase for both iOS and Android platforms, and you can leverage the power of JavaScript's libraries and frameworks for creating user interfaces, animations, or logic. Python, on the other hand, does not have a native or hybrid solution for mobile app development. You can use frameworks like Kivy or PyQt to create cross-platform desktop applications with Python, but they are not optimized for mobile devices. You can also use tools like PyMob or Beware to convert your Python code into native code for iOS or Android, but they are not very reliable or scalable. So, which language should you choose in 2023? Well, it depends on your goals, preferences, and project requirements. Both Python and JavaScript are powerful and versatile languages that can help you create amazing applications. However, they also have their strengths and weaknesses that you should consider before making a decision. Here is a summary of the main points. If you want a simple and readable language that is suitable for data-intensive work or academic purposes, choose Python. If you want a flexible and dynamic language that is great for web development or mobile app development, choose JavaScript. If you want to learn both languages, start with Python as it will give you a solid foundation of programming concepts and skills. Then, learn JavaScript as it will expand your horizons and possibilities in the web and mobile domains. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about Python and JavaScript, and which one do you prefer. Thank you for watching and see you next time.